Hello kids. Today we are going to solve the worksheet of chapter 3, A Day with Nandu. Okay? So let us see here. First question. Select the best options. Select the best option. 1. Elephants sleep for a day. Elephants sleep for a day. How much time elephants? How many hours elephants sleep in a day? Most of the time? No. 12 to 16 hours? No. 4 to 6 hours in a day? No. Then how much hour elephant sleeps in a day? You know, 2 to 4 hours. So, make a tick here. Select this one and write here 2 to 4 hours in a day. Next question is, a normal 3-month-old baby elephant may weigh about 10 kg? No. 50 kg? No. 200 kg? Yes. Because Nandu was a 3 months years old and he was 200 kg. Tick here. Next question. Who complains that they have to dance on the empty stomach? Who complains that they have to dance on an empty stomach? The monkey, Nandu, the bears, or the horse? Who complains? You learned in the lesson. Who complains? Don't know? So, open the textbook. See the lesson. A Day with Nandu. किसने कंप्लेंट किया था उस लेसन में? स्नेक, बेयर, हॉर्स, मंकी, cat and pigeon all told about them. किसने कंप्लेंट किया था? Yes, correct. The monkeys. Okay? मंकी कंप्लेंट किए थे कि वो भूखे रहकर भी डांस करते हैं. Next question is, elephant move around in a group called colonies, swarms, herds. None of these? Yes, herds. 5. Adult elephant eat meat and egg? No. Forest fruits? No. Sugar and grains? No. Twigs and leaves? Yes. Adult elephant eat twigs and leaves. Second question is, write T for true, F for false statement. Before writing true or false, you must read the lesson. After that, you should read this one sentences carefully and think about it. Okay? See, first one. People specially call pigeons to feed them with grains. Yes, correct. 2. People specially call pigeons to feed them with grains. Second one, children don't like cats. Wrong. Most of the children like cats, so it's a fall. 3. When horseshoe are fixed to horses' hooves. The horse love it wrong. They get a pain that time, so they hate that one horseshoes. Fall. Fourth one, the oldest male is the leader of the herd of elephant. Wrong. Who is the leader of the elephant's herds? Female. Here given male, so it's a fall. Fifth one, elephant lies in the mud to cool their bodies. Yes, it's a true. Sixth one, Nandu is a small bull elephant. Fall. Nandu is a small baby elephant, not a bull elephant. So it is a fall. Next one. Elephant sleep for 8 to 10 hours in a day. Fall. Elephant sleep only 2 to 4 hours in a day. So it is a fall. Only elephants live in a herd. It is also false. Nandu is a bull elephant. False. Elephants sleep for 8 to 10 hours in a day. It is also false. Only elephant lives in a herd. It is also false. Other animals also live in group, live in herd. So it is a false. Next, ninth one. The weight of baby elephant is about 200 kg. Yes, true. 10th one. Elephant love to play in water and mud. Yes, because they want to keep their body cool. So elephant love to play in the water and mud. It is a true. Understood, no kids? This type you read it, then put the right here, true or false. Okay. Next. Next question. Fill in the blanks is there. Okay, kids. Before you filling the words in the blanks, you must read the options carefully. Then you read the sentence, think about it, and then fill it. Understood now? Okay, let us see. Babies useful, care of female elephants, 100 kg, female, 14 to 15 years old, the legs and trunks, the open jungle, the next bears, monkeys, and tails. 1. Male elephants stay in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years. Second one, the grey forest that Nandu imagined he was in was actually dash dash is there in that place. You feel the legs and trunks of his family members. Third one, living only in a basket, the snake has forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and the fresh air. Okay, in the blank place, you write here open jungle. Fourth one, for entertainment, humans use 3 animals, bears, monkeys and the snakes. Fifth one, when baby elephants play, they pull each other's tails. See kids. Fifth one, when baby elephants play, they pull each other's tails. Okay. Sixth one, an elephant herd has only females with their babies. Seventh one, the oldest female is the leader of the elephant's herd. Next one, an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kg of food in a day. How much it eats food? 100 kg. Above 100 kg. Now last one. Elephants are useful animals and should be taken care of female elephants. Okay. Now next one, see. Match the columns. Two columns are there. You read it and match it. Nandu, Amma, Nanima, Nandu's cousins. Follows Nanima. Squirt water on Nandu. Drinks his mother milk. Leads the herd. Nandu. Nandu drinks his mother's milk because Nandu is a very small elephant. It is a baby elephant. So it drinks his mother's milk. Amma. Amma follows his Nanima. Amma is Nandu's Amma and Amma is follows Nanima. Nanima is leads the herd because he is a oldest female elephant in that herd. Nandu's cousin squirt water on Nandu. When they are playing, Nandu's cousins squirt water on Nandu. Okay, kids, this type you follow the worksheet carefully. Okay, next one, see. Here also one match the following is there. In first column, elephant, ants, fish, sheep, fried. In second column, colony, school, herd, lion, flock. Elephants are in herd. Ants are in colony. Fish are in school. Sheep are in flocks. And lions are in pride. These are the groups of the elephants: colony, school, herd, flock, pride. How elephants are living in group, that is called the herd, no? वैसे ही ants colony group में रहने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? Colony बोलते हैं. Fish in school means they are in group, that is called the school. Sheep, this group is called flock, and lions group is called pride. Next one is choose a right word and fill in the blanks. Here right words are given, some options are given: cool, biggest, fans, groups, 200 and 100. A. Elephants move in group. Elephant is the biggest land animal. A baby elephant weighs around 200 kilograms. An adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in a one day. Elephant have big ears that work like a fans and keep them cool. Keep the body cool. They help them to keep cool. Understood, no kids? Okay, this one page I will share with you. You solve it, okay, and learn it, read it, buy it, because you are having an exam. See, next question. Unscramble the names of the animals given in the jumbled word. Here some words are given, their letters are jumbled. Letters इधर का उधर का इधर हो गए हैं. So you arrange it properly. Largest water animal. See here. See in this one letters. These are in bracket. Largest water animal. L-U-B-E means what? B-L-U-E. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Well. W-H-A-L-E. Well. Blue well. Okay. I written here. See this one. Second is fastest running animal. Read it. T-E-H-C-E-H-A means what? No meaning. No proper pronunciation, no. This one meaningful word will become this one. So you arrange it. These are the letters means jumbled this one. So see here, correct word is CHEETHA, cheetah. Third one, fastest flightless running bird. Read it. RSOTICH means what? Not a proper pronunciation. Word meaning is also this one word. Ostrich. Fastest flightless running bird is ostrich. Last one. Largest land animal. CARANFPHNTAEEL means what? Means African elephant. AAFRICAN, African elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant, African elephant. Okay kids, so I will share these all worksheets. You take a Xerox print of that one, solve it, read it, learn it. Thank you for watching the video.